new chapter begins in Indian silk reeling industry, proudly presenting the India's first indigenous automatic silk reeling machine, engineered with passion, powered by precision, and built to transform the future. Backed by a legacy of 70 years in the silk industry and recognised as a pioneer in silk machinery manufacturing, Aryan Engineering, along with Aryan Automations, continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Every machine we build is thoughtfully designed and indigenously manufactured for the realities of the Indian silk industry. Our products are strong, reliable, and requires low maintenance. It stands with the reelers, supporting every step of their journey. Aryan Engineering and Aryan Automations, powering the next chapter of India's silk revolution with passion and innovation. Proudly. Made in India, made for India.